Have you ever made a mistake so big that you felt your whole future was ruined? Have you ever wondered if you could still rise after falling? Today, we follow the journey of a young apprentice who lost everything: his work, his pride, and his direction. But his greatest lesson came from the moment he thought all hope was gone. Once upon a time, there was a young man named Daru, an apprentice in a small workshop in the mountains. He was known for his bright mind and quick hands. Everyone believed he would one day become the best craftsman in the region. Even his master often said, "Daru will go far. He will make things the world has never seen." But Daru had one problem: he wanted success too fast. He wanted to be great now. He wanted people to clap for him now. He wanted the world to know his name now. One morning, Daru heard news that a big city merchant was visiting the village. The merchant was looking for a new master craftsman. Whoever impressed him would be taken to the city and given money, fame, and a big workshop. Daru's heart began to beat fast. This is my chance, he thought. Why should I wait? Instead of working with patience like his master taught him, Daru rushed. He tried to build something amazing in just a few hours. He ignored advice. He pushed others aside. His hands shook from pride and fear. And when the merchant arrived, Daru's work broke right in front of everyone. The merchant frowned. His master sighed. The other apprentices looked away. But the worst part wasn't the failure. It was Daru's reaction. He shouted at everyone. He blamed his tools. He even blamed his master. Then he walked out in shame. For months, Daru moved from town to town, looking for work. But no one trusted him. Everything he tried to build failed because he was angry, impatient, and lost inside. At night he whispered to himself, "I destroyed my future. I lost everything. Maybe I was never meant for greatness." One cold evening, Daru met an old traveler sitting beside a fire. The traveler looked at him and said, "You have the eyes of someone who once had a dream. Why did you stop chasing it?" Daru opened up and told him everything. The traveler listened quietly. Then he said, "Falling is not the end. Refusing to rise again, that is the real failure. Go back, face your mistake, learn again, begin again." Those words felt like a warm light in Daru's heart. The next morning, he returned to his village. His legs were heavy, his heart was full of fear. He expected anger, rejection, maybe even laughter. But when he arrived at the workshop, his master looked at him gently. "Daru, you came back." Daru lowered his head. "Master, I lost my way. I rushed. I ruined everything. Please, allow me to learn again." His master smiled softly. "Greatness is not in never falling," he said. "Greatness is in understanding your fall and rising wiser." That day, Daru began again. Slowly, quietly, humbly, he cleaned the workshop. He helped others. He listened more than he spoke. And every day, his hands grew steadier and his heart calmer. Months later, he finished his first true masterpiece. It was simple, clean, and perfect. He did not boast. He did not rush. He did not seek praise. He just smiled, because he knew something important. He had finally found his way again. Success is not measured by how fast you rise, but by how well you learn from your mistakes. Pride can blind you, but humility opens the path forward. When you fall, stand up with wisdom, patience, and a stronger heart. That is how true greatness is built.